Jada.
And I'm Julie from Southern Pride Design. And today, what are we making?
We're making a conversation wreath.
Conversation heart wreath.
Conversation heart wreath.
Yes. But not like the ones you eat. Right? Yummies.
Yummies.
We're going to paint this one. Because everybody loves conversation hearts, even though they taste like chalk. Okay, so we have our ring. And we have all of our hearts that we cut out.
Yes,
lots of hearts. And the colors that we picked out for our conversation hearts was like a not quite a hot pink.
Pink.
A lime green.
A lime green. It looks like limes.
Yeah.
A yellow.
Yellow. And
limes. Purple.
Purple. So our yellow, purple, pink, and green. We're close. We're close. Right?
Right.
So we have 19 hearts that fill our wreath, and we're going to leave a space at the top to be able to tie a ribbon or a bow or whatever we want at the top.
A bow!
A bow? Okay. So I separated them into 5 piles because we have 5 colors. And then I have 4 of each color except for one that's only going to get 3. I'll probably end up doing green to 3 because it's not my favorite color in this whole thing. What do you think, Jada? Good idea? Okay, awesome. So we're going to start painting. And then we're going to paint this white. But you could color it black or any of the colors. And it's really not going to show up. It's just going to show up a little bit in the background. So we're going to color it white.
It's on my teeth, well. My teeth are white, so it's white. So I stay on our dust brush. Brush it off.
Right.
Brush it off. Brush our teeth and they're boarded. Right.
So for the white, I'm using a chalk paint because all of mine are matte. Nothing's glossy.
Here.
It's fine.
Real good.
I'm not going to put that in there. I'm just going to take the brush and I already have paint on my hand. Dip it in.
Can I?
And paint them. Yes. And you want to do the pink?
Yes, pinky.
All right, so Jada's gonna paint those ones pink, and I'm gonna paint this white.
Which one do I paint?
These 4. You're gonna paint those all pink.
Okay.
Don't use too much paint though. You don't want it to be too thick on there. Okay.
Nope, it would be horrible.
Yeah, it would be too horrible if it's thick.
What color are those ones? Those ones.
Purple, yellow, green. Just try to paint on. Yeah, you got a lot of paint there, baby. And we're gonna have this template on our website if you want to cut it out yourself, or we'll have the craft kit available.
I like half-wall paint.
If you want to purchase it and do a craft night with your kids.
Hey guys. Look at my hearts, guys. I'm doing all of them because I want them to look nicey. Because I forgot to give you $1.
For what?
For the bubble gum.
Oh, it's fine.
fine.
Don't worry about it. Alright, so we're all done painting these. Now we have to let them dry and we'll put together our wreath. So we'll be back. Okay, so our stuff's all dry and we're ready to glue it on. So we're going to take our wreath circle.
And
what color do you want to start with first? What color?
Pink.
Pink?
My
Okay, so we're going to do pink. We're going to start at the bottom and work our way up, but I know the two at the bottom aren't, so we're going to do it like...
I kind of love it rainbow.
Like that. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's how we're going to start it.
Mom, I'll stick it on and you put the glue.
And I'm going to use a hot glue gun. You can use super glue or something like that.
And I'll stick them on.
Alright, push that down. Push it. Oh, wait. Hang on. I'm going to put the hot glue down. And we're going to press this down.
Oh, glue.
Then you've got to do this green one right here. Okay. Lift it up. Push it down. Okay. And different color. We need yellow.
Yellow?
We'll go this way. Yellow. Here. Push the yellow down. Make sure you get it centered. Oop, nope, you're on top of the green one. There you go. Right there. Good job. Now we need a purple. Purple. Push it down.
I call it perp.
Perp. That sounds...
Pop. B. I call it perp. Pop. Poppy.
Okay, we need a pink one.
I call it perp. Pop.
Yellow, green one right here. Green.
But we didn't do white in a while.
We forgot to do the white.
What?
You know what? Let's not do the white. Let's skip the white.
Wow.
Let's see if we can do it without the white. Okay?
Yeah, because
if we have enough colored ones, we won't use the white one. And then we can put the words on these. Okay, so, alright. Then we need... Perfect. We're all done. So.
No, I want one right there.
No, there won't one. It won't fit. That's where we're gonna put the ribbon. We're gonna put the ribbon there. Okay.
What? Did I sell it to somebody? Did I place up somebody?
So now our wreath is
ribbon.
all done. Super cute. We ended up not putting the white in there because we forgot, to be honest. And I kind of like it without it, but it would have definitely lightened it up a little bit.
Yeah, because some doesn't like white and some does.
Some people do. Okay. You're gonna use the pink ribbon for that, or the
Oh, I love this pink ribbon.
Okay. So this is the ribbon that Jada picked out.
Yeah.
Super pretty.
Yeah, because
super
last
pretty.
night we was ribbon and I didn't pick that color because it was not a good choice. Like mommy picked.
Oh yeah.
But I picked this one. Thank you.
Okay, so I had made these little decals, like the conversation heart quotes, and I'm gonna put some around on here. You could use stencils and paint or
I want to use paint.
Well, we're gonna do this because this is quicker and easier. Maybe next time we'll stencil them out and paint them.
If you like this channel, give us a big thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. Right, thank you.
Watch more videos like this.
High five. Okay, so I wish I would make these maybe a little bit tad smaller, but I think they came out so cute. It doesn't show up on the yellow very well.
Bye.
But that's our conversation heart wreath. And it was super fun. Yeah?
Yeah.
I loved it.
Give big thumbs up.
Give us a big thumbs up. So we're gonna hang this up.
Yes. For
Valentine's Day.
Bye, Fountain.
So we're gonna hang it up for what?
For Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day, right.
What about we just need a hook?
We need a hook. Well, we got a hook. That's why we put the thing on. But
And subscribe to our channel.
thank you for joining us, and we will see you on the next one.
We will see you on the next one.
Shimmy, 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 shimmy. No. You got chocolate milk on your shirt, and well, we definitely did not survive this project unscathed.
No, but I'm still doing my unicorn